Braiding your hair is a great way to get soft, natural-looking curls. To start, brush out your hair while it's freshly washed and still slightly damp. If your hair is thick or tends to get frizzy, work a dime-sized amount of hair oil through the lengths all the way to the ends. If your hair is naturally straight or wavy, work a bit of curl-boosting mousse through your lengths to help the curls hold. For soft, relaxed curls, create a deep side part and pull all of your hair to one side. Then create a single side braid over your shoulder. If you want more defined curls, part your hair in the center and make 2 tight braids on either side of your head. To braid your hair, divide it into 3 sections. Pass the leftmost section across the center section so that it becomes the new central section. Then cross the rightmost section back over the central section. Repeat this pattern all the way down to the end of your hair. Then secure the braid with a hair elastic at the bottom. To make your curls start higher up on your head, begin the braid with smaller sections close to the crown of your head. Then pull more hair into each section as you move down. When the braids are complete, wind them into tight buns and pin them in place. Or put them under a sleeping cap or scarf. Leave your hair braided overnight, or for at least 6 to 8 hours. Then unbraid your hair in the morning. Gently shake your hair out to loosen your curls. Add a few spritzes of curling spray to your hair, or scrunch the ends with a curling cream to give your style some extra hold. When you're ready to remove the curls, wash your hair with a moisturizing shampoo and conditioner.